A big news to all that Amazon is now offering internship for students pursuing college degrees. This is a software development engineering internship in Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. Amazon is offering software development engineering internship. You can see on the screen there is a job description where Amazon mentioned their job culture and skills required for this job. SDE intern will be a part of Device OS organization and will be responsible for developing features for Fire OS and Fire OS based other devices, and the candidate having a good experience in C++, Java, Linux are most preferable for this job. The basic qualifications are on your screen. You can see there is a need of C++, Java, and also there is a need of Python because you need to deal with also datas, and also you need to be a curious, and your communication and interpersonal skills are very strong for this internship. Also, a solid fundamentals in data structure and algorithms is needed, and also you need to use to with many more languages just like Ruby and other. Preferred qualifications are here: major computer science, Linux and Unix informant. But one more important thing, that is for registering in this there are total 10 steps are there, and you need to complete all the steps for registration in this internship. So you need to watch this full video for getting all the information about registering in this internship. Now I'm going to apply for this internship. Just tapping on apply now. You need your email address to sign in if you are have an account, but if you are new on this Amazon jobs, then you need to create a new account on that. Just tapping on this, you need to fill your email address and password which is self created, and after that there is a verification code comes on your email ID. You need to verify that by putting that OTP, and after that for further registration process you need to sign in on your account, your email ID, and after that you need password which you created initially, and after that you start your application for applying for this internship. You can use your LinkedIn account or your resume, and few more options are there. Why LinkedIn? Because LinkedIn is created for this, for job professionals, job seekers and interns, but I not prefer this because I doesn't updated my LinkedIn account with my certificates and resumes. Here you can upload your resume through online drive, Google Drive, Dropbox, but I choose browse from my own phone and I am going to upload it. Here is my resume. If you doesn't know about resume making, then you can go through my video on resume making. You can easily make your resume by your own. I also shown a sample resume there. Now there is next process is contact information, where it is required your address, your contact number and other things that are very basic information which you all can upload it. And here I just put it all the information, and the next process is general questions, where the first question is the most important: are you willing to relocate? And what you do here, firstly you can see I got an email from Amazon jobs, but it is not for completion of our application process. It is that our application process is initiated. In this process you can follow my answer because we have the same answers also here. Relocation is the company process where they can relocate their employees for their specific jobs. And here some work history and skills: how many years have you work experience? 0 to 2 years. There is not option of 0 years. And after that please provide the name of current employer followed by list of employees. So I just put it that I am pursuing college degree, and you can see here there is a need of education information. Firstly you need to upload your recent education that you are pursuing. If you are in college pursuing bachelor degree, then just tap on bachelor. If you completed your graduation, just tap on graduate. But I am pursuing bachelor degree, I am go through the bachelors, tap on bachelors, and after that need of school name. Here you need your college name, but here you need only the first 3 characters of your college, and after that you need to browse through the list in the below. The first three character I given for my college, and here in the below there is a name of my college, Shiksha Anusandhan University. Just tapping on that. After that, area of study. What is area of study which you are pursuing? You need to write here. I am just write it computer science engineering, and here I also give details about my other educational level, that is information about class 12th and class 10th, and also graduation date and school name is there. Job specific question, you need to select yes if you want internship, because if you put no, then for getting this internship your chances is very less if you put no. Just tap on yes, because if you used to C, C++, C Sharp or Java, you just put yes. And after that, work eligibility. This is the main phase of application where mostly you need help of this video, because there are many confusing questions are there. If you are in Indian, just go through all the answers which I am putting here. Have you previously been employed by Amazon? If you are a college student, so you are not employed, because if you have an internship in Amazon, then you choose yes. And if you are new, then just tap on no. Do you have a right to work in India? Just tap on yes. Source of right to work in India. You need to put citizenship. If you are born in India, have a citizenship of India. If you have not, if you are from another country, then you need to choose other things which are given in this form, that is visa, work permit or other immigration status. Do you need or will you need in the future any immigration related support or sponsorship from Amazon? Just tap on no. After that, for the sole purpose determining export licensing requirements, please provide either your latest obtained country of citizenship. So here you need to choose India. Just search here India, you get it. And after that, there is need of immigration status. Just tap on permanent resident. If you are born in India or have you gained citizen from other norms, then tap on citizen. So I am born in India, just tapping on permanent resident and tap on save and continue. Here acknowledgement. You need to just verify this, just tapping on this box that you verify all the details which you upload here and tapping on save and continue. This is the last. Voluntary equal employment opportunities self-identification. What is your gender? Female, male, choose your own, and after that save and continue. Here my application is submitted and you get all the review information here. You can review, you can edit here, and after that just need to submit this application after reviewing. I submitted and you can see application completed, and now I can track my application. Firstly I go to the dashboard where you can see here one active application is there. Application submitted for HD intern in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, August 13, 2020. I think this video helps you a lot. I try to cover all the aspects. If you find this video helpful, just like it and also share with your friends so that they also get benefited by this. Thanks for watching.